agbabu ya ọnwụrụ. Mgbe ahụ egbe mmụọ bụ na enwere agba ndị egbe fisikal. Ọ bụ ụjọ ma okwu ebe ọ bụla ịchọ ka ekwuo ya ekwuo. Mgbapụ ụlọ wụọ ọkụ fisikal na spiritual. Ndị nwa na-akpọgasị afa m. Ịma ama dị emife polisi. Njebe polisi bụ iji West Batay. Onye nwa amụọla ana m agbapụ ya ọnwụrụ. Mgbe ahụ egbe mmụọ bụ na enwere agba ndị egbe fisikal. Ọ bụ ụjọ ma okwu ebe ọ bụla ịchọ ka ekwuo ya ekwuo. Onye ọbụla sị gị mgbapụ ụlọ wụọ ọkụ fisikal na spiritual. Ndị nwa na-akpọgasị afa m. Ịma ama dị emife polisi. Njebe polisi bụ iji West Batay. Onye nwa amụọla ana m agbapụ ya ọnwụrụ. Mgbe ahụ egbe mmụọ bụ na enwere agba ndị egbe fisikal. Ọ bụ ụjọ ma okwu ebe ọ bụla ịchọ ka ekwuo ya ekwuo. Mgbapụ ụlọ wụọ ọkụ fisikal na spiritual. Ndị nwa na-akpọgasị afa m. Ịma ama dị emife polisi. Njebe polisi bụ iji West Batay. Onye nwa amụọla ana m agbapụ ya ọnwụrụ. Mgbe ahụ egbe mmụọ bụ na enwere agba ndị egbe fisikal. Ọ bụ ụjọ ma okwu ebe ọ bụla ịchọ ka ekwuo ya ekwuo. Mgbapụ ụlọ.
All right. While I pray this video, everybody take note, and I want you to share this video. Let it get to Anambra State government, to my governor, Governor Soludo, and I want to make this thing clear. This video was recorded in 2022. Akwa was talking to me. Akwa was telling me that if you shoot me spiritual, if I did not die, they will shoot me physical. That period, the whole world was watching. Now, they have tried everything they can do. I'm going to use Igbo on this program because I'm talking to my people. This is how the war between me and Akwa started. About Oke-Ite. I am the first prophet that speak about Oke-Ite. I am the one Akwa was threatening that he will kill. If he kill me, if he send spiritual arrow, if I did not die, they will come physical to shoot me with assassin. This video he made was about 2 hours video. He said so many things in the video. But because of my page has hacked, who hacked my page? The same Akwa Okuko gang that left Akwa Okuko and entered to Evangelist Ebukobi camp. They are the same people that hacked my page because of so many evidences in my page. Now, why I'm making this video this month? Because of those who say Akwa had the screen. If only they say Akwa is part of the people that kidnapped him, I will not doubt him. Because far back as 2002, February 4th, is when the Akwa challenged all the old pastors in Nigeria, saying that he's preparing sham to all the pastors and the prophet and the Reverend Father, that if anybody talk, he will eliminate the person will die within 4 days. If anybody dare talk, that now Abu Bishop or pastor. Then, many of you don't know me. Because of all those people that are coming out on Facebook now talking about okay, they're talking about I am one that take the bread. If you say you're the one, bring the video that you make to 2022. So get it very well. And I want this video to get to my governor, Anambra State, His Excellency Governor Soludo. This is part of the evidence, proof that Akwa is evil. If you have the video that you make 2022, both Governor Eziokwu, both JPAC have a JPAC video. When JPAC, they are all threatening me. I have the video. That's why the battle and me and Akwa and JPAC started 2022, February 4th. I have the date, February 4th. Go and check it. That is where the challenge starts. Then on my own page, the video I made that hit over millions, that made people to know me. You know, because of the battle, the world was watching how the Akwa will kill me because they believe. Akwa say he have 270 something demons. That if any pastor talk, he will die. And he has the power. But Akwa did not know that I have 1.16 million angels. They didn't know. So the world was just watching. All the pastor was just looking. Everybody's afraid. Akwa have tied everybody down. Nobody can talk. Even the Ezenwai cannot talk. That is when that Ezenwai that they see now, that from Enugu, that one that I talk about, that is when they join partner. Most many of them join partner thinking they are going to know my secret or they will use them to bring me down. But being as somebody God is be with, he don't see me. I heal HIV, nobody see me. I heal cancer, I heal different kind of sickness. I made men and women billionaire without seeing me to prove the power. Many people that are prayed for online, nobody can come and say he joined partner and things not change for him. Both people that pay millions after a praise, that's why we'll be able to do what we do from 2002 till now. We spend millions without collecting offering. We have done program in Anambra State more than 4 times. We did not collect offering. We have done program in Lagos State. We have done in Enugu State. We have done in Abuja without collecting offering. We have moved around. This is Gospel of Truth End Time Prophetic Movement. Then I want to appreciate all my partners, both the SNY that paid 5,000 because then it was just 5. It was free. It was free. Reason why many people begin to call me, I find out they're making my phone engage. They are not calling me for good. Some are calling me just to make my phone engage because people are calling me. So, and I'm exposing many things. So then I put a tag list. I say anything half. Before I pray for you, must say a seed. Then after that, God said no. Remember that I told you to join partner. Partners are the one that are going to build this thing. So we started with 5,000. From 5,000, with Salaka 50,000. From there, things are going up because then things are cheap. 2022 rice is almost 27,000. Now rice is 100 and something. I can see the difference. Imagine, Minala was about 150. Now Minala is 500 naira. So you see, it's not the same thing again. 5,000 then is equivalent to 500,000, close to 500,000. So now, the reason I'm making this video is this: because of many people that want to claim the glory of what they did not do. I am the one that destroyed Oke-Ite. And what is happening in Anambra State now? I am the one that call upon my God. I told you this year, I'm bringing program called Agune Chamber. This is the program that I designed, that I call upon my God. And when I came to Anambra State last year, I found out they have tied everywhere. So this year I prepared. When I finish my 21 days fasting, I enter Anambra State with 1.60 million angels, which I told you people. I enter Anambra State 4th of January. On the 8th, I went to pray because there's why the see everybody, nobody could talk. So I went to the sea. I saw it when I was praying 4th. On the 6th, I went to the sea to pray. I will look for the video, I'll pray for you. I went to the sea to pray. I will also pray for my governor. I say, every power that is holding this Anambra to the, because God, they cannot send me to a state where people are afraid to come, because reason why we are coming to build Zion city of the Yahweh synagogue, the whole world, the Zion, the true Zionites, the Igbo Jews, Israelites, the whole world will come from America, Canada, all over the whole world to come and visit me. That is the why. I say, God, first you're going to do for me is to make sure there's security. There's insecurity in my state. How can people come from America, from Canada, from different places to come and visit me? If truly you call me, I want solution. God told me last year, said, go and do a program called Agune Chamber, which he designed 4th and 5th January in Ibuku, 26th and the 25th in the Oka People's Club, true of us. Now then, when we started this program, not like insecurities everywhere. To prove to you the power that I have, now I'm here to tell you, I am the same person that destroyed Oke-Ite. I am the same person that sees all the SNY and they chase them away, both kidnappers and everything. It's not Odumeje. Odumeje was there making noise. Ebemoso was there making noise. I came with the solution. And when I came with solution, Sorudo key into my prophecy and my program is called them Agune Chamber, to tally with the things of God. Because I told you, this is the year of God, of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, which is Chukwu Okuko Tiwaraki. It's God, the God. Because when I find out that God, we are the ancient Jews, we are the ancient Israel, we are the meaning of Agune Chamber, that's why I titled it Agune Tibo. That I told God, it has been long, we are going to promote other countries, protecting other people, building our houses, building our church. This is Agune Igbo. In the first of history, Nobody have something like that. Igbo. If you go to people's club, you see the banner. If you go on Onitsha, we move from cities to city to city, from city to city to do what? To do evangelism and to pray. That's when I'm channeling all the powers. Tonight, now let me play one of the video because of those who always like to come. Forget about the bloggers. Bloggers are our problems. 80% of bloggers are the ones that are taking money from native doctors and promoting them. Go to the blogger, you will not see my video because I don't give them money because I'm exposing them. And most of native doctors and fake persons have told blogger, anytime they carry my video, they will not give them money again. One of the bloggers told me that. Anytime they carry my video, they will report in their page. All my page have been hacked. Please help me to share. I can't even share. Help me to share. Let it go around. What I'm going to say now, we expose everybody. You expose everybody. All the secrets. Now, you hear what Akwa say? If I shoot you spiritual, if you did not die, I will come for you physical. We know where you're living. If you find that video very well, the video is about 2 hours. Go and find that video that Akwa told that. I have that video before. It's on my page, they hacked. Then it can be on my drive because I saved those things. But the drive is in the east. I can look for the drive. I cut it because it's a very long video. But they cut this thing just 2 minutes. It was a minute or something. Yeah, I prayed from this guy from Igbo page. It's me Akwa was talking to, no another person. Because that is when I exposed Oke-Ite to highest order. I revealed the secret nobody have known. Because when I started exposing Oke-Ite, it's 2018. I don't know who is Akwa Okuko. They show me when snake is killing people. They show me when snake is biting people. It's like what this is why he's doing now. Remember that this is why, when I was in Enugu, do the video, said they should go for protest. Nobody talk. No blogger carried it. Nobody. But I saw it. Then immediately I do the video, and I saw that that's why they're already doing enchantment before I do that video that to encounter it. I am the Anambra liberation prophet. My duty is to serve the Igbo. My duty, if you see, I've been preaching for over how many years? This is my 35 years in spirituality. I also do business. I am the CEO of A2Z Production. See, let me tell you, nobody know the sea battle. So when they see me, they thought I just came out from nowhere. They threatened me. They tried to use police. They tried to assassinate me. It could not work for them. J-Park need to be queried for this nonsense that he's doing. Now, J-Park, any Jesus have said his own part. Why J-Park and Governor Ezeoku is making video to encounter it? Are you Agune Chamber? Are you Anambra government? Leave the Anambra government to do their work. If they need to arrest him, they will arrest him. If they need to arrest anybody, they will arrest them. You're not there. But you are there saying all those evil is happening. What is your contribution? J-Park and the Governor Ezeoku have told you. If you cannot tell us what is killing people about your state, you are evil. Governor Ezeoku, leave Anambra state a road, go to your Imo state. People are dying there like shaking like a goat. You are there because you are looking for money. If you are not a thief, you will face an Imo state because what is happening in Imo state is more than what is happening in Anambra state. Call your governor and ask him, why are there people dying in Imo state? That's what I want you to do. Everybody should go to that state. All the brother, report what is happening in your state. I leave Anambra state alone. You people are our problem. J-Park are the one that promoted this Oke-Ite to the highest level. That even carried the Oke-Ite to Lagos. That's why they did everything to eliminate me. Nobody can take the road. Where are you people who are fighting? Even some pastor was against me. All of you that are talking, you people are against me. That's why I have many enemies. They can't take away the truth. I am the one. The spiritual world. I came for this. Two things. My preaching, I never change. Two things is to expose the kingdom of darkness. Two things is to expose evil churches. Remember, 2018, before Akwa Okuko, I want TB Joshua. If you don't repent, he will die. Did he die? I want Buchiri. After I burned things of Buchiri, Jeremiah, and this thing, they pursued Jeremiah, they banned Buchiri from Marabu. Because Jeremiah, almost for family investment is Buchiri. Since that time, they banned him not to come to travel. They collected the passport when it happened 2018. So what I'm telling you now, people have died for this. I lost one of my evangelists when I traveled to the east in 2016 when God sent me for work. The death paid me so much. And why the girl died, I warned him, I warned her. Because her family, they killed her mother when she was 12 years. And I'm going to bring in all those things now. I'm not fighting anybody. The battle is over. The God have done what I asked him to do. I said, Father, for me to be in Anambra State, you need to bring all those people to book. Remember that this year is when Oke-Ite was challenging all the pastors. I challenge all the pastors. Anybody have power, I want to take the challenge. Oke-Ite never come out. Oke-Ite never come out. No, and when I take Matthias' challenge, Matthias say, have he cancer, have he anything? Matthias never given me my list. Remember that I say, to tomorrow, no doctor, no hospital can cure spiritual sickness. I've cured medical doctors from America. Even yesterday, there's a girl that almost went blind. Her mother is what? Her mother is a medical doctor. But I didn't put it on the video. Yesterday, they called me. I pray for her eye opened. Now, when you have an attack, it's different than when you born blind. I open many people's eyes that enemy attacked. I've healed people's spiritual sickness that they go many places, no solution. I am the spiritual warlord. The revelation and the solution. The spiritual leader of gospel of truth, end-time prophetic movement. Liberation and solution to 7 Igbo. I rejected billion from Satan, from occultic kingdom, from marine kingdom to 7 Igbo. I rejected billion from Mary, Queen of Heaven, to save lives. I rejected America, Mary country, and UK to come to Anambra. 2023, I was invited all over the whole press. I never appeared in an interview all over the whole world. I have interview from the whole nation, more than 2,000 interviews. I did not take anyone. I only take one interview this year in Igbo, because that is the first interview I take about my ministry. Because of now, about Oke-Ite. They asked me, what do you have to say about Oke-Ite? That was in January. I think that's the first interview I'm taking. But I'm going to be taking interview. Like I told you people, I'm not going to take any interview. The reason why I never take any interview, I have my policies. I don't want anybody to divert my attention. I don't live in Anambra State, but Anambra is where I sent to liberate my people. And I said this 2025, I come with power. Agune Chamber, Agune Chibo, the Lion of Tribe of Judah, Revelation 5:5. We are in the Isiago. Do you know the meaning of Isiago? Isiago means the Lion of Tribe of Judah. So that is why when Mass Libya is talking, we are not Israel. How come the Lion of Tribe of Judah is people of Israel? How come we become the Isiago? That is the same thing. Then when we say God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, in Igbo land it's called God of, it's called Chukwu Okuke Abioma. Abioma is Abraham. Know that. But they have one RC they still call Chukwu Okuke Abioma. Now that one, we're talking about the creator. We don't bow down to RC. We don't pray to Equins. We don't pray to Mame Water. All those are foreign angels. We have one true God. I am the one that stood at 40 over 10,000 native doctors and seized their idols. I've killed 300 and something thousand demons. When I said it, they thought I'm joking. When I say if I enter Anambra State, all of you will go like, they thought I'm joking. The only thing that when I speak, brother, I don't carry it. So when other people speak, you will hear it, you look at it and one say it. Go and ask anybody who came out with the program this year. In fact, go and check my program. Actually, you know, when the year they finish, they get program called the team for the year. Our team for this year is called Agune Cheibo, Agune Chamber, the power of Lion of Tribe of Judah. That's by the team. What does it mean? To liberate Igbo. I said I'm visiting 6 states. Anambra, the society begins at home. What I can do in Anambra, I can do it in Imo State. That thing I do in Anambra, it will go to Imo State, it will go to Abia State, it will go to Enugu State, it will go to Ebonyi State. I've already gotten to Asaba. Tell yourself the truth. Who is the liberator? Who is the liberator on the Igbo? Tell us the truth. I respect only one man, and after that, forget about noise. You can make noise with Matthias is making noise without power. With evidence, we will prove it to you. Miracle, raw miracle. In the last week, he saw it in people's club. Raw miracle, come, raw miracle. People that visited the doctor, they come with everybody. People that join our court will come. I deliver more than thousands of them in Anambra State. Mando Boli, Mande Kanka, Mande Oke-Ite. Even the last one we did, go and watch the video. The girl that have fibroid over 10 years. You have done operation, I grow back. That's what I told you. Even if you think you are wise, the girl snake was biting her. I killed the snake. You will hear the testimony. In fact, it was there. But end of the month, if I'm in Onitsha by God's grace, this month. If I can't make it this month, because I'm very busy. If I can be next month, you hear the testimony. You will now know that her belly used to swell up. Her leg, you better try to pray for her, her leg become okay. The testimony is there. But you hear the final testimony. I never make mouth, I never lied, I never deceive anyone. You don't see many people working with me because of what the power I have need maintenance. You know, holiness is the power. When Akwa failed, when Akwa started doing crop, doing all those things, see, let me tell you, it can be doing native doctor, it can be doing spirituality, and now what I can. Ask people, this is island capital. This is a hotel, island capital. Far back in 2008, 9, 10, here was island capital. Then when I was shot arrow, my brother died. The day I closed the hotel is there, my brother died. He was a prophet. We started ministry together. Let me not tell you, here was a hotel. It's my hotel. I close it, I give it to God. Because God said, it cannot be serving me. I'm doing what? I'm be selling drinks. I'm bringing a shop because then we'll have a room here. Girls used to lodge there. 6 girls. In a day, in that room, they bring 20K. We have rooms here. 20K, 20K, 30K. They will make like almost say, we say, we sell all those things. Ask people, this is Iran Capital Hotel. Go on the internet and check it. We'll make no less than 300 to 400 times every day. It's coded. You know all those kind of hotel when they don't get no advice because I'm very popular now. Now celebrities they come, so they can't do bad day. They come book and do bad day. Now small creep, but you know man with style. People they come celebrity they come book and do bad day. They take everywhere. 300K. Dominion City. Go and ask Dominion City. All the program they do in Dominion City, all the pastors. When I started is where here they used to lodge. I was one of the protocol in Dominion City. And here the pastor, they cook the food, they say to the pastors. Most of the pastors, they stay here. Other pastors that come from many places. Before I now stop. Then guess what? The day God told me that God showed me a book, Matthew. When I say, if I stop doing my business, my hotel, what would I going to eat? God said, tomorrow, we think about himself. I was thinking it's a joke. If we open, where we used to make 400 and 500 and 300 highest cheapest, just in the evening, because I sell my drink 500 naira. That time, people are selling beer 150, they sell 500. Henneken is 1.5 with a big stout. I want to tell you now. So all those people think you're doing, Akwa is doing, I've done it before, but because of the work I'm doing, God said no. So even if I want to do hotel, it should not be all those crubbing thing. Yeah, somebody love crubbing, but that's when God was just warning me. So God ask question. My name of the hotel is Iran Capital Hotel. Go on. It's on internet. Just go on Facebook, you see it. Iran Capital. Type it. So if we talk, you say we are envy. We are not envy. If I'm doing for 500,000, do you know that 10 years ago, if I do 130,000, 500,000, 300,000, do you know I would have built many hotels? But because God know around me. Because of this call, my Range Rover to something million naira. About 2005. I am among the third people that drove Range Rover in Nigeria. Go and ask. I know they make mouth. Go there and ask people now. Say, to say, Lord, take on internet. They're not talking to a kid. We want to tell you that this call we are doing, you can't do nothing. If in a connection with no people. But we leave all those people that even me, I hide myself. That's why when people will see me with Akwa, you don't know me, say, hey, you're hungry. Go and reach for. No. Because I forget of things of this world. I've entered spirit. I entered spirit. It takes me 10 years to come out again. It takes me 10 years. I have to say it because who won't give me money now? I don't even need to. I don't need to. That's why I met they see me with the movie people, all those ones. These are the people I make. People that make like documentary, Jematis, all these are my boys. I ask them. Go and bring this on the internet. Go and bring them. They are accountable. There are many. If you go to Onitsha, thousands of them. Both in music industry, both in gospel music, both in film. I have helped thousands of people. I was 18 years. First person got to go in That was 2001 or something, or 2000. Go and ask them in Iweka. Go take my picture, show them. Go to Iweka, ask them. I built my plaza, A to Z plaza in Iweka. Go and ask them. We are the people that God bless. I am wealth. But because of the things you don't know, when we tell you remove yourself, this is why I'm always coming to shout, because of you don't know what you're going into. Man, if you nobody. All good, more dangerous than anything. More married, more dangerous than anything. Is the one I choose everyone happy to come. I was just keeping quiet, but when there's a one I go far and say you want to protest for the goodness of Anambra State, what I've been fighting for, God have answered my prayer by bringing Surudo to carry on the physical one. Who are you to say they want to do protest? Physical, I will destroy you. Physical, I will make you ascend it to heaven. Try it. Why not make video again? If she says she's based on one, tell her to make a video. I'll put her where she belongs. I'll give you date. You will not say, Akwa Jana happy to their web. I mean, make Akwa run from Oke-Ite, go open hotel. But he could have contend with the hotel. But because of the greed of the money, 3 million naira for one Oke-Ite, 2 million naira, 5 million naira, how can you expect Akwa to repeat? When you go to a hotel, people come and pay 10,000, 20,000, and then of the day, and Akwa they spend for that hotel, you know they make money. Where was making money is from all those petty things. Now, let me play a video for you. Because of you, that many of you that will start, that just know me today. Many people don't know me because of they hacked my page. Who hacked my page? Is Jepak, Omenezoku, Ijo, Wademezu, Godem, and just Agobol. Those are people, these are the crew that work with Ekokobi. They came out from, oh my God. My phone not to go off. I don't want this phone to go off. Okay, thank you. The phone is down. So that is okay. I've given power back. 1 minute. I'll be showing some evidence. Oh. You know, say we don't leave our suitcases the wear garment because of the war. But right now, we are going back to corporate. After this video I'm making, everything is starting new. I want to explain to you what you don't know about me. Please, if you have never shared my video, at least, because of this Oke-Ite and Akwa, share my video because all the things I've been saying. I told you people, give me 2 years, I will close down all the fake wine and all the fake doctor in Anambra State. The governor of Anambra State are waiting for me. I have the number here. I visited my governor this January. I visited my king this January. I was in Anambra State this January. Did you go to your state this January? In February, I came back to Lagos. I came back January 4th. I left February. I did the last program in Anambra State, 25 and 26. I spent almost a month and I came to Lagos, which I'm coming back soon. I went to government house. I went to see my Igbo. I visited everywhere. I went to pray in the water to destroy all the evil they have done. I hear people in Anambra State say, we say it's fake. A girl that came with 10,000 joint partner, I gave her the money back. It's there. So what have you done for your people? Prove it. He thought Anambra people are not watching. He thought they don't know me. Everything that happened on this Facebook, they know who is who. If you think they don't know you, people know you. Nobody in Nigeria, in Igbo land, that doesn't know me. Except you don't want to tell yourself the truth. At least, if you know Akwa Okuko, you know Ebukobi, you know Matthias, you must know me. So you can't say you don't know me. The only thing that my page is a new page. They hacked my page. That's almost 100,000 followers. They're on my page. They hacked it. This is a new page. So it doesn't mean I don't want to buy followers because I'm not making money on Facebook. Please let me to share the telecast. Now let us go while we are here. We're going to be praying some videos. Let me play some video for you. Okay, let me play this video once more, then I'll now move to other places. This video, you need to hear it.
Physically and spiritually. Police. Njebe police BDG West Batay. Onye nwa amụọla ana m agbagbu ya ọnwụrụ. Mgbe ahụ egbe mmụọ bụ na enwere agba nga egbe fisikal. Ọ bụ chọọ ma ogbuo ebe ọ bụla ịchọ ka egbuo ya egbuo ya. Mgbapụ ụlọ wụọ ọgwụ fisikal spiritual. Ndị nwa na-akpọgasị afa m. Ndị nwa na-akpọgasị afa m ịma ama dị emife polisi. Njebe polisi BDG West Batay. Onye nwa amụọla ana m agbagbu ya ọnwụrụ. Mgbe ahụ egbe mmụọ bụ na enwere agba nga egbe fisikal. Ọ bụ chọọ ma ogbuo ebe ọ bụla ịchọ ka egbuo ya egbuo ya. Mgbapụ ụlọ wụọ ọgwụ fisikal na spiritual. Ndị nwa na-akpọgasị afa m. Ndị nwa na-akpọgasị afa m ịma ama dị emife polisi. Njebe polisi BDG West Batay. Onye nwa amụọla ana m agbagbu ya ọnwụrụ. Mgbe ahụ egbe mmụọ bụ na enwere agba.
This is when my people told me, Akwa have talked too much. Before they will shoot you, go arrest him. I said, no. My brother, they said, no, they must arrest him. Why will you say, if you shoot me, physical, na spiritual war, could they fight spiritual war? The Akwa now see, why Akwa get angry? When I have destroyed Oke-Ite, you know, when I told you people, you don't understand. When I have destroyed Oke-Ite, they find out there's no power there again. He now do this video. Because then he was angry, you know, I scattered everywhere. No blogger in Nigeria that doesn't carry my video, but abroad, the whole world was calling me. I had somebody 1 million call in a day. And now you have to talk a fluke, you know the truth. No blogger that didn't carry my video. It's all this entry because of my Catholic people I'm exposing and those things. So when they carry my video, they report their page, they stop carrying my video. Go to Asa South, you will see some of my video that hit 1.something million. You can watch some things that I said. I will go to my page, Prophet David Yahweh TV, YouTube, you will see some, not everything that is there. So, but that is past. Now, let us go back to 2022. 2022. So, let us see who fought Oke-Ite. There anybody that say, I have evidence, bring your time, bring your own way you fought Oke-Ite, let us see. Let me take you back to how all those things started. When Akwa said, if any pastor talk, he will kill him. Let me take you back to where the whole problem started from. Okay, let me just go out from here. Sorry. Let me go out from this page. +2349032236076. It's my number. Who is speaking?
Hello.
Yeah, who is speaking? Yes?
I'm the one calling you.
A speaker, where are you calling from?
I am the one calling you.
Who now?
I'm calling you.
Huh?
I'm calling from.
You're calling from where? I know they hear you speak out. Huh? You're calling for what? What can I do for you? Please drop your message on WhatsApp. I'll get back to you. If you want to call me, please drop. If you're not calling for the program, just drop your message on WhatsApp and I'll get back to you. God bless everybody. Let me now play this video. I want to take you back to 2022. Let us go back to 2022. Thank you very much. Please let me share. Can you share the telecast? Please, can you share this program to self and do the Anambra and the Igbo. Marine witchcraft. Almost one marine witchcraft. Yesterday, the one got try me. My bio of human clear. Can they go and keep brother? God bless everybody that watching. Please, Chika, God bless you. Oh, please share the telecast. We must. People have tried. Thank you for supporting this program. everybody who have been partnering with me, God bless you. You know, many people say I don't have member, but this is what I'm doing is more important. This is why I lost my Facebook, this is why I lost all the money, this is why I lost all my friends, this is why I have enmity. So today is our victory time, and we'll be able to accomplish the victory is in Zion City. Victory in Zion City. Yes, we are the light of the nation. So any other Zion is counterfeit. We are the Zion of Israel, Zion City of David Yahweh. Dr. Chukwu Kadiba, one lawyer, Madam Maga. Anything we do, we'll prove it anywhere in the world. Healing will prove it. We'll prove it online, we'll prove it physical. We'll prove it in marketplace, we'll prove it in many places. Share. Love, like, drop your comments. This is love of Igbo. This is at least my life for my people. But I have nothing to regret about it because today was a great day. Your comments. Happy vow, everybody. Happy vow to my people. A vow to you all. Today is a vow. Somebody will start asking me about my wife. Yeah, I never happy vow to you all. My life is mystery. I will tell you why. I always talk to my wife. That's my wife in a story. It's all about history mankind. I never dated my wife. I never known her. God blocked her for me to save her. We have an agreement that it's another day story. So let us focus where we're here. Woman is not my problem now. My problem is to save mankind. Which I'm doing. Let me take you back from where the whole mess started. If you want JPEG video, you go and watch it on my page. It's there. You check the day. Now let me go back to this. Now, if Onyeze is saying that Akwa Okuko is part of people that kidnapped him, I will not doubt it because remember that since they say kidnap Onyeze Jesus, none of all those deep that have spoke about it, both Ezobi, both what do you call it? Both JCM, both Akwa Okuko, both nobody talk about it. These are very close friends. So there's one video Onyeze make last year, and then November. He was driving, say, no one do bona. They are doing drug, they are doing this thing, they are doing many things. They use Dibia to cover up. That video, when he made that video, I know he was referring to somebody. He was referring to somebody that you know very, very well, but don't want to mention them. So when they kidnapped, when the guy was missing, and now I'm making video, I'm pointing out. There's one video I Onyeze made. That video, I think he was here. I did this video when Onyeze was not out. Before I now prayed for him. In January, I see he's going to come out. And I came out. But the problem is, the video, I don't have time to come and start editing. But if you go to my page, you see like Oke-Ite now, one day Oke-Ite. Now, let me play this video for listening to what I said on this video. What happened here? This is why do you Onyeze fight me? I was talking to Akwa Okuko. I told Akwa Okuko, you are not doing tradition. It's people like Onyeze, and he cannot, a guy have one pastor. It's people like Onyeze Jesus Nabena, your friend, not me. Onyeze take offense. Onyeze is the first person that sent me an attack. I'm not here to defend anybody. It's not my name, it's not my friend. Onyeze, before Akwa Okuko start to send me attack, who sent me attack first was Onyeze. Onyeze sent me version. And that is what spoiled Onyeze. I am what that destroyed Onyeze power. So after I destroyed Onyeze, let me now tell you what happened to Onyeze Jesus. Many of you don't know. I am the one that brought Onyeze Jesus down. I'm saying it before today. And he knows. Now, Onyeze Jesus was very close to Akwa Okuko. When I do the video about them, Onyeze Jesus could not want to be exposed. That time, Onyeze Jesus doesn't want anyone to know that he's doing juju. Not embarrassing. Now, Onyeze Jesus came out on video. He was warning me. David, if you call my name again, I will make sure I will be holding something. He will not say he will kill me, but he's saying so many things. That time he doesn't know where I am. Then before he said that, he have sent this attack to me. His vulture saw it. When the vulture has come, I scattered it. I scattered the vulture. I'm saying it on air. It's not, he can't do nothing. He's scared. The Hanas. When that thing happened, Onyeze never believe it. He made that video. That time when Onyeze started having problem, he didn't understand what is happening to him again. Then Akwa Okuko had problem. Before Akwa Okuko come and make the video, if I try you spiritual, if you don't die, I call physical. That time they don't understand what they happen. Many people don't. They scatter everywhere. Now has to say everywhere. They say, may they go kill this boy, may they kill this prophet, this one, this one. They try. They now say, may they go call police. Even Governor Zoku cannot deny it. Governor Zoku said this on this program when they arrested J-Pack. That last when they arrested J-Pack, he said it. You know, they try everything they do, they cannot. They use spiritual. Akwa kid or bring a car or ram, or bring animal, different animal, bring a snake, kill my head, do many things. And I did my own. When I did my own, it's when Onyeze Jesus begin to run. Before I know they start having problem. Then Onyeze Jesus now went to start carrying his own. He stopped using Akwa again. Because he found out that things are not longer working. God showed me. God showed me when Onyeze don't fall finish. Come the beg. I told my wife, it was on broadcast, I said it. Before Onyeze started having problems, I saw it. So that's why when this thing happened to him, I was just missing for him because I saw those things that happened to him. I saw those things that happened to him. He tries who pass up. That what happened to Onyeze. So Onyeze, if you don't know what happened to you, this is why. That attack is what he sent to me, is what destroyed you. If you have more, send. I know they talk and reach tomorrow. Akwa Okuko fight me. That's what brought him down. All those why you're doing is mago. He doesn't have power again. Akwa used to carry highest power. He used to carry highest power. Akwa did not come out empty. Akwa said, I am senior king of devil. Akwa came with power, actually. But I came the higher power, which nobody, no pastor could have challenged Akwa, including Ebukobi. They cannot challenge. Why all of them can knock off? It's after I fought Akwa finish, he destroy everywhere. They come out. Anybody kill them. That's why my Ebukobi now come and start saying, how they fake prophet that doing spiritual work. How does before they do spiritual work, you don't know how they do spiritual work. Why I bring the spiritual work on the Facebook? Because of Akwa. To tell them that thing you think you know, we know it. All of us. Now, if they do, I will encounter them. And I brought it. Let people see. Then useless Ebukobi. Hey, anybody that do spiritual work is fake. Why? Thousands of people that come to your church, they carry the sickness and go back. All of them are the one going to Oke-Ite. I can remember more than how many people at the river for Oke-Ite when I tell them not to do drug. All of them long to Zion. When they're now inside prison, they're calling me. They're calling me on phone. Prophet, pray for me. The idiots, those people that they're hungry, I pray for them every day. After all of them go and put Ebukobi pictures. They go and put Ebukobi pictures on their DP. And Zion. These are people that are delivered. When they now have problem, all of them now went to go and carry drug. They carry them, they put it inside. Then some inside prison calling me. I said, God will punish you there. I pray for you, I deliver you, and God will give you money. I said, stop doing this thing, look for something to do. All of them ran. If people are praying for you wrong, if you're coming back this time, you tell us where you long go. And only one woman I just pity for. That one was outside for how many years? He came to Nigeria, he wasted all this money, he went to Zion. I'm saying it, if you want to put it on, I'll bring videos for him. He spent all this money, he came from America. Then I pray for one of our sisters. Government paid for almost close $1 billion. That prophetess, they paid for almost $1 billion of mortgage of house. Then she now came, she joined partner. She was having sickness that brought her to Nigeria. I was on the because I healed the sickness. And now she's living with her husband. What testimony is better than that? She sent her testimony about some week ago. About some week ago. I was on the mountain. I lost my phone. That's my WhatsApp phone. I lost my even Chika. That what testimony sent to me. All of them have lost. It's on the phone. I lost my phone last week. It's a new phone I got now. So that's why if you see my WhatsApp, I say I'm using a WhatsApp business. My old phone, all the whole that phone lost. So you know, as I came back from Lagos, I use a cab. I went to Abuja. I use cab. I don't use to cab. I used to drive. So I put my phone inside the business, and I cannot go back to Abuja again and start looking for the person. I have like 3 phones. I'm only in Lagos. So what I do, I have to like block the line, change the WhatsApp immediately. Because I know they like all those scammings. Somebody will say no. I just have to forget the phone and destroy everything that is there. God bless you. So that one is past. Now let us go while we're here. Why we're here is to show you some evidence to prove that it's God of the Yahweh that is restoring Anambra state. So every pastor should go to your state and restore it. Bible says, charity is at home. Don't come and claim glory. You cannot come and claim you're fixing Anambra state like Ebukobi Odumeje. Why your own state is worst? People are like Ezeoku. You can't come and tell us, hey, go arrest Agona Tugo. Go arrest Onyeze. Why your own village, if people are dying, you cannot tell your governor to go arrest them. Happy for my people. Now, let me not play this thing. JPAC and Onyeze, JPAC and Ezeoku making video. Telling governor, you think I'm going to salute them. Onyeze is not my friend, but I think Onyeze is better now. And it's Akwa Okuko that put Onyeze into this thing. Now you know the truth. And the governor Ezeoku and the JPAC, you people are working for Akwa Okuko. When he's doing all those evil, you could not advise him, even without the battle. You're there. Is it not Onyeze Akwa Okuko that buy car for JPAC? Governor need to arrest JPAC and assist that car. Let him come and tell us why he's promoting what you don't know. You can't do me nothing. All of you are useless. You have done your worst. I told you people. Just Agobada still call my name. Just Agobada still call my name. I told you I will show you. Didn't I show you? I told you we hear from you. This is part of it. Anywhere you go, that disgrace. I push you, come on for Akwa. You go Zion. You come back to Akwa. I push you again. I want to tell you, I am the spiritual warlord. Ask question. Before you fight, go and ask who you want to fight. I was just making video about a broadcast. He come to my Facebook like this and begin to threaten me. We will do this one. That's what JPAC did for me. I don't know him. First time he came to my page, begin to threaten me when I was doing the broadcast. Oh, I didn't know that it was one. It's later and I find out that he's one promoting Akwa Okuko. When you now see the word on print, you now say, oh, yeah, you people are the same thing. You have altar where you're pouring oil. You're doing this one. Yes, I have an altar. That is an altar of Yahweh. You can come and break it if you find anything outside there. Let me go. Come and break it. If you see anything, you break it. Nothing is there. That is the symbol of what I want to build to Anambra State. And very soon, as battle is over, very soon we are bringing in that because it's of no use. And we are here is holy land. Once you enter this place, it's a holy land. We are going to Anambra State to build the Zion City. Google search making. So if you have never support you or make your donation, I was laughing. One of my son sent me. This is somebody that came to Nigeria. You have gone to many native doctor finish. No solution. I said I will deliver them. Please, if you say you want to buy land for my ministry, I never asked you to buy land before. I never asked you to dash me money or to buy me a car. If you say you want to buy land, go and price how much is land. If you know if you buy one plot of land, you know if you buy half plot, you know if you buy quarter plot, you know if you bring better money, please don't bring that money. My God is not hungry. Keep it when you have money. If not for Salaka, do it that on our own. But if you say you want to make donation to build the altar of God, you are building your own house. You know how much it takes to build a house. You are building your own, you about to have your own land. Let me do your prayer for you. You buy land, you build a house. Now they tell you make one build house for you. They send me one chicken money. What I want is and do. If you want me to send you back, I will send it back to you. What is that? That's why people are going to join our court. That's where I'm going to. I'm not saying it's not a must. It's not a must. People I'm talking to know who I'm talking to. I know what I've done for you. You can't pay for it. Come to which kind of money? This money have to support. 300,000 they buy land. How much is the land they bought? How much are they selling it? If you don't have money, no problem. Do salaka. If you don't get money to buy, we know the hurry. I'm not in this thing. God have told me, if not to build church, my problem. People don't come say they go build hospital for me, they go build church for me, they go manage me. How much do I want? I reject it. But that's not the instruction. The instruction that God told me, the members, the partners will build one to build Zion. So if you don't want to be part of it, get off. I talk too much. I need to talk too much. This is not part. I know they ask money. I know they come. I know they ask you to give me donation. Now people where I do prayer for, where God work for, they need to build one to buy that land. If God have not blessed you, you can't. You're not. It's not your own. I'm talking to people that I know that my God have blessed. So it's not everybody must buy land for God. No, it's not my house I'm building. I gave my house to God. So if God bless you, why not go figure buy one plot of land or quarter plot? You know how much they sell one land for Anambra State? So tomorrow you go to come and say, I don't give her money for land, they chop. How much will be the money where you want to give me? They bring on the 100,000 they buy land. Please don't give me that kind of money now for now your salary. Don't bring it. If you want to buy land, go and price land and buy it. Go to Ngombo and ask Ebuko how much the members they donate. Okay, you can't tell say, when I don't give me money to buy land, I don't buy land. I don't want that kind of thing. Please. If you want to buy land, go and price land and buy it. If I sell the land, you're going to say I'm a thief. That is where I want to do free hospital, free school, and free what? Free prayer city. Not my land. You're not giving me. If you're giving me 100,000, 10,000, you know you're giving me. If you say this is for projects, you want to buy land, build the mountain of God. No. Go and buy it and bring the thing. You know it's what you do for God. If you don't have money, no need. Wait. Why I'm saying this is so you will not say, I don't give contribution. I know they do that kind of nonsense. If you don't get money, if you want to get money, I will do it. I'll buy land and build it. You don't have money, no problem. God will go and collect it from people that have it, they don't want to do it. He will collect it and give it to people that are ready to do it. That's the prayer I'm making this time. Because people are wicked. This is why many pastors cannot focus on the God work. Until they show you, people are going, yes, and if they do prayer for you, if you work, you will not go and do testimony. But you go to Oke-Ite, pay 5 million. You go to Oke-Ite, pay 2 million. You go to Oke-Ite, give 10 million. Okay, how did somebody get money to build a hotel? Not many people they give any money. How did Akwa Okuko get money to build all those things? People have you're saying they will be that fake and they are progressing. You're saying Akwa Okuko they are fake, they are progressing. If you're the one that they are telling that kind of thing, how will you feel? So I've turned to a bad person because I came to tell you the truth. You know the truth, you will not do it. You come and carry 200,000. They want to buy a land. If you send me that kind of money, bring your account, I'll send it back to you. Rand in Anambra State, 40 million, 50 million. How can you send me 10,000 for rand? We are not doing contribution. We need people that got brace to go and buy land. Go and buy the land. One plot, 50 million. One plot, 10 million. One plot, 5 million. Why you can buy? That is it. Forget about how to build it. God will bring people that build it. Then if you don't have money, you don't want to be part of it, get off. Get off. You don't want to be part. Get off. Power is here. Yesterday, I opened somebody brand in America. Since I'm in Lagos now, I know how much I spent. Now somebody pay for the bill. Just one miracle. Just one miracle. Truth. See, let me tell you. See, if you want to talk about prophets in Nigeria, in the world, I will be among the 5 prophets. Genuine prophet, I am among the 5 that I will tell you on the line now, where now, as we are done now, as we talk now, I can heal sickness of 40, 50 years. Which somebody has not spent 30, 40 million naira in hospital. Why you not go feel come out 1 million, 10 million, 5 million, buy land? If I ask you, you go say, I know they call anybody before. Why you not go feed them? No be, okay, this estate now, they are paying close to 5 million naira a year. Let's say I'm paying for rent. Let's say I not even get property, they pay for rent, like pastors. How will pastor get money to pay the next rent? They go pursue and move for street. These are the problems. So how can they do the right thing? Now, many pastors, like all those SNY, they used to do pastor, all of them are running to SNY. Because when they pray for you people finish, you will tell them bye-bye. Most of them, their pants go to tear. Now, they will read. That's why if you preach to them, like that's what SNY, that's what they talk. Now, people will say they come and don't tell them. They say they don't do work of God. They don't tire. Why they tire? Because of you people. Especially in the Anambra State. You will carry billion and give to Mountain of Fire. Do Yoruba. You will carry billion and give to Yedibo. The winners. You will carry billion and give to Wedem. Kumoye. But how many church in Igbo land have you come and carry billion and give to them? Let them not do well. How many Yoruba people they go to Igbo church and give them donation? Oh, nah, yara. They come to Lagos, they are destroying your things. They are burning your houses. Yoruba, destroy everything you have. How many pastors? Lady no talk about it. Mountain of Fire no talk about it. Winners no talk about it. Nobody talk about it. Come on, no talk about it. Then you carry your money. If you are Igbo, carry your tithe and pay into Yoruba. God will punish you. God will punish you. Mountain of Fire, wait. We get waiting past the Mountain of Fire for Igbo. Go to Anambra. There's a many pastors that is there that carry power. They are hungry. How many they will frustrate them to go and join native doctor? You're frustrating them. Look at the idiot I pray for. This one don't go native doctor. He come back for abroad. They enter fight. You waka finish, go everywhere, no solution. You want go back, now he call me. I tell him, go bury Amat. He say, they cry, no get money. Say, I just do the thing, go. You go back. Now, you never have to do testimony, they hide. They hide to do testimony of sickness that want to kill you before. Let me pray what I want to pray. Oh, man, what people going to do, you go not say, people are just useless. See, there's something that you don't have, no problem, I understand. I'm somebody that have traveled here and I've seen money. If I know that I say I go be church, I will be for church 1990. If I know say I go later do work of God. Now 2005, I don't buy acres of land, build mass. You know, say person don't know how this future will be. That's what they say. Nobody can see it tomorrow. Well, I know it's my calling, but I don't know it's this way. If I know say I go get church, because you don't dare my house, let her break the church. We'll continue our life. If I know say I go build church, I don't build the church finish now. How much they sell land before? He said, come make you really sick people for you. You see today I'm coming to Anambra. Didn't you hear the announcement last month? You know, hear the announcement? No problem. Now just follow me online. If I'm coming to Anambra State at the end of this month or next month, it's Agone Chamber program. Agone Chamber Doctor, which is 2 days, Saturday and Sunday night. Every last Saturday and last Sunday. Okay, let us go to all these things. Let us pray. Many of you will don't understand. This is when I was talking to Akwa Okuko. When the challenge, I mentioned Onyeze. Onyeze now carried the wolf for head. Say, you didn't know, if I like, anything I like, you don't know who they call Prophet David Yahweh. If I call his name again, he's going to do this. So listen to it. I won't pray it. It's about 15-minute video. Let me pray everything. Because of those who did not know why this test started, I would have, I risked my life. I gave my life. I gave my money. I gave everything. It's just only the partner that supported me. So God bless all the partners. Then this is the end of the whole thing. Now, if you come and say, Akwa is innocent, Akwa is innocent, do you know these people would have killed me a long time ago? They would have killed me. And he said it. If we shoot you spiritual, you don't die, we'll come physical for you. But they thought I'm a kid. They thought I'm just a small. When they now ask question, many people tell J-Pack, Lord, if it's street, I don't steal for you, but not people. If it's like, when I don't see money, so what do you want to do? The only thing you want to try to do is that assassination, which will not work. Well, let me pray the video now. Then listen to what Onyeze Jesus said.
I don't know this man. I'm going to be about my swear, but no good. I can't follow us on financial.
Shut it up, guys.
I don't know this. You don't want to take me back. If any castle talk, never wants you. He gives us for this. You are wise. Never went into an answer. You never woman to once you know I'm on a TV do to you. Oh, no, not from Dana. When I had a war, then I was not for myself. Get together from the David, Zaya way. After your bone, your coyas, after your bone, get your coyas. But I'm not like yeah, I told you. Yeah, put up on I like it. Yeah, put up on a full of comment. Or go out patrol with it. Oh, for them, no spark of an apple. Almost a band there. For what I have all of that. I don't even know about our passport. I'm in church. My members in the valley 1,000.
Like when I was say, here I work crapura. Many pastors now start launching this own. You watch here, oh, one woman request, yeah, one on work crapura. Many of them now. So he's claiming that he has the power. No pastor, if any pastor talk, you kill the pastor, this and this, this and this. So nobody came out. And the only pastor that came out, this happened 2022, February 4th. The date is there. So they listen to this video. In case you're just seeing it for the first time, share the telecast. This is where the war started. And this is how the story Oke-Ite.
I don't even bazar pastor anywhere church, man. Members in the bar, 1,000, 2,000. If I have one logo, Clampula, who can then want to carry now that I've been the pastor. Enough to rock. If you are Igbo, Igbo pay wherever. If we also be not the Igbo. I land Anna Flop. We know Anna Flop. With the mother ball, who was Daria, Yamano, the been taken out. Give out here, man.
Yeah, we'll go for the Ekona Power Carry. Share the telecast. This is flashback. How the robot was started. 2022.
Manifesto David.
Oh, yes, sir.
The word way. How many look in? What are you boy? How many look in? Where are you? Jerry disease we could alone. Now, Akwa being on our Winchester and Key, or maybe invitation on the occasion on the beer. Face you all on our man. Face you your own church. One way to address, email address each. Who they think of Nwata nọdụkwa n'ụlọ anyị arụ akpọta ebe ọ n'isi ọ bụzi ebe m nwee ike ịgwa anyị ka m wee na nke abụọ amala ama ejikwa na m wee ma atụ okwu ọzọ amakwa m ife na-eme ụlọ ife a onye chọọ nnọọ inwefe m ọ chọba onye eze Jizọs onye chọọ iprichi n'ọta ọ chọba onye eze Jizọs kama ya bụrụ na afa man nọ bụ Street of Tongues face your own church face your own ministry na ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ka this year bụrụ atọrọkwa na this year to another thing atọrọkwa na this year to another thing ịma mgbe nkwụ ife dị ebe onye eze m ilite ibe ije otu ahụ ọ dịka ndị amadi ihe nwere onye afọ elu mana chi ya asịrọ na onye ala nwaanyị asị na onye ala nwoke asịrọ na onye atụba mmadụ ibe ibu a na-akọ na soshal midia ọzọ ụlọ kemepụta ndị soshal midia ọzọ ụlọ kemepụta ndị soshal midia onye ọma akọrọ onye akọ onye akọ onye ike ị na-akpa ya akpa ji ederiba ndị mmadụ iwe mgbanwe ji ederiba ndị mmadụ okene dere ife a
ya oge nna nwụọ na onye eze Jizọs
ife anyasa
today
anyasa na-abịa m ka m nọ wee bịa ekwu okwu a abụkana m afọ ọzọ ebukwa n'anya jebe ebe onye na-eburo ya anya ebukwa n'anya jebe ebe onye na-eburo ya anya aramatụkwa mmadụ
the mountains are falling.
Nwata nọrọkwa n'ụlọ anyị nwa akpọta ebe ọ n'isi aramatụkwa mmadụ amụma na-elu ya elu ji ebubo ụmụnna ya ji ebuba ndị chọọchị gị ọha na eze ka ọ dụkwa nnọọfụ onye gbakwa David maka prọfet David jekwa ọbụ ya ekwughị ka nji agba onye ri ọdụ ya tụpụ onwe ya mmadụ adịghị etuo mmiri ọka ozugbo ijiji nkịta ga-eme nọ nkịta nọ na wee na-akpọ enyi ụja ọ dị ya ka ọ ga-eme nwa n'ụlọeti
onye eze Jizọs this is when onye eze Jizọs is defending Akwa Okuko ọma na ụwa ga-emeza tọnụ ọ ga na tebụl spiritual
nwata nụlọ ọgụ egboro egbo na-asịkwa n'ahịa bịa nwata nụlọ ọgụ egboro egbo ọ na-asị ahịa bịa n'aka nwaanyị data ada na abụọ bụ ezi okwulekọ ọnụ ọlụkwa adụdụ onwe agba ọgọ ndị afọ onye eze anyị bụ ọbụrụkwa na-amara ama yes and that day ibe anyị ji mara ndị Igbo na ị ga-akwụ ụgwọ ohi
let us now go to this thing. Okay? I think you have watched it. This is how everything started. When Akwa Okuko came out and boast that he is the mighty, he is senior king of devil, that I have 270 something demons. If any pastor talk, he's going to die in 4 days. Then when I now challenged him, when I conquered him, the shame was too much. Then he now went far to say, if you shoot me spiritual, if I did not die, he will shoot me physical. That is when everything has changed. So you have found out that the power could not save him again.
Physically and spiritually. They want to police. Police BGG West Batay.
I was talking to him.
Physically and spiritually. They want to police. Police BGG West Batay.
I call police for people. I never call police for anybody. But I use spiritual power. It work for me. So God has brought Soludo to free the fuck up of Homo Fekinibe. So who can battle with the Lord after God and government? After God is government. Now,
I greet you, my lovely fans and friends.
Let us hear what is happening now.
Jesus. Why do you choose to destroy Akwa? Always say Akwa.
These are the two people that fought me. Remember that when Jesus and Akwa was a team, they fought me. I conquered them. The same way then Sagobol and them go beat them and Igbo were them and they fought me with a jetpack and with Zion. I got her one side. Haven't you know that we are not ordinary? Haven't you know that I am Abakajof? Haven't you know that we carry the spirits? This is 2025 February 14th. I'm making this video to prove to you I helping Igbo. I came to help Igbo, and this is my duty to serve my people, and I have to serve my governor, and I have to serve everywhere. I'm here to push away all the fake native doctor and all the fakers and wine from Anambra state. I am the spiritual warlord. I came to liberate my people. Thank you very much to all my supporters, all my fans. Literally, please share the telecast. I love you all. Shalom. Check it because there's any fair. See what God do. God have putting problem in between them now. They're fighting themselves. Now, what is happening on this video now? I want to pray from Ezikuku. What is happening on this video now is Onye Jesus reported that Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki kidnapped her. And then Akwa Okuko is making some statement before about me that Obama goes physical. If spiritual, if I don't die, they will come physical. Who will come physical? No be killer, no be higher killer, no be assassin. So, but as now, immediately, I say, touch not the amount and do your prophet now. Immediately, your end has come. I warned you people, but you thought we are making mouth. This is the year of argument chamber.
I greet you, my lovely fans and friends. Always as in Kamalo. Sure. Away from Jesus. Why do you choose to destroy Akwa? Always say Akwa is what I'm mad. He betrayed me as well. Because Nazago me endo. Kalia 10 times. Still yet, I have forgiven you. But when you say, King is not at we testify Yana Akwa. He was not Akwa. So we will only for sometimes. You want to know. I have one. I will testify. Every friend also, I will testify. For betrayal, I'll go number one. For Job, he's a number one man because in the open the moon, I'm a I tried to save him for a long time. Last, I call one idiot. I know him. He's my brother. One time, case I know you before. One day on the phone, one day let me call a phone. See, one day over for case. I call for Kofa. Garcia na so sing down one. I'm a bad man. I stay for me. But when you say, why? If you guys testify, yeah, that poor wait to that. Oh, you want that. I saw you go there, and it's you. If you pull up here, maybe to school, Capia. My please. Are you my lawyer? I'll place you. Oh, now, wait. I'll proceed to one. Okay, now, so I testify, yeah. That's all. Chai.
That's right.
This information. He's a very bad man.
On mettait le brou. On mettait le beginning brou. 2025. Our born my baron is money clear. On mettait le brou. No peace for the wicked. There's no hiding place for evil in Anambra State. I'm more than we are with you. Let me pray. Supposed to pray one other video again. Okay, this is our movement.
To the police. I hope you all can hear me. When you say you came to the police today and said that Akwa is behind, or Akwa sent people who came and kidnapped you.
Hey, because what am I hearing? No, Jesus said, Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki, be all on the blue, as no Jesus got a bit of a will no Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki, be a plan or KP, blue. Then when I'm wearing Jesus, but that's lawful. On I say, never said I gave something, never said I got one did Naga, what did you get involved?
God, not this small picking.
But actually, the was a full salute before I ever made that announcement. I waited to I am ready from him. But one did you one, only did you one, or one on your palabo. Oh, that I'm not when I got through Facebook. Wherefore, Ebe Gobadezio, Unuman Gobadezio, wherefore Gobadezio,
Gobadezio, any Aquana J Park.
Oh, I have got the thing about life.
Or Regirigo.
Now, on your Jesus.
Also, the move. Or Regirigo.
Now, what be involved when I'm now, what be a plan of Bulia or where they were shocked. If a guy on, hey, it's a be her, got up to free.
Because they watch here. For that wrong, they juniors, someone on my kidnapper, they don't kill him. Or because of something that they are gang, they want to punish him. Which, if it's another person like the Yahweh, they don't kill him. True way. Don't have a daughter. And he that with God, what can you do? Nkatandi lo bala. Amago wa. Nkatandi lo by the Yahweh. Ana chubu kiri ne. I can't deceive. Obode kwetego. Chukwu kadibia. Ohaneze kwelego no. Omo chukwu kadibia. Dibia gwara ọzọ, mana ọzọ bụ dibia. Omoa. Anambra Revelation Prophet. Agụna 2025. Fenoche n'ụzọ. Agbara fini clear. Now I want to play one more video and the movement. How the movement started and how the effort that we put to make sure we bring Anambra in order. People will think we are crazy. People will say not other things, but we are not crazy. We know what we are doing. Okay, you can see me here. I was on high spirits. I fasted for 20 something days before I go for the program. Oh, David, yeah, well, if you see the program, I'm going to chamber, I'm going to achieve it. Ogene. Power is power. Oke-Ite power. Obanje power. Power is power. Oh, the other which power. Power. Victory. Hey. Power is power. Power is power. Power is power. Power is power. Match down and match down all your 40 powers. This is how I destroy the powers in Anambra State. I send you all the occultist power and the witches have destroyed them all. How come here? How come here? Did you have it? Oh, I'm going to chamber. Share the telecast. Zion City Ugu Sochineke. Movement. This is a Igbo liberation movement. How we destroy the occultic power in Anambra State. Fear not. All the way to Kadibia. 1.16 million angels. No talking about us. I usually work on the horn chat. Oh, come here. Agaba. Tukadibia. Okay, more power. I don't know spirit. You know, say Rosa. I will somebody from Buka. One of them na my or Mariana Nambuka. Yes. Power. I don't know. Also, go back. Where the second one? Oh, the second one. You are coming, relax. Let me pray for all those things that you did. That's in what I say that I've tried. If you say it's easy, go and do your own. Where are you since? Come on. Boy, last year the thing affected me that last year. Everywhere. That last year I do. Forces was too much. And shatter back now 4 months. Way by that January where could is the minimum one. It's not easy. Thank the Almighty God and all my people that go in this journey with me, and I thank my lovely wife who have been. It's not easy. I like to say, it's not easy, but we thank God that we did it. So let him be on record today that there's one prophet, Prophet David Kadibia, who God sent to destroy the kingdom of darkness. Even though you don't appreciate what I do, but some people appreciate and will love me. So this video will be a video that I will save this video because of tomorrow, in next 50 years, then when the battle will burst out again, let them know that one prophet that have 1.6 million and they will shut down all the evil native doctor and the SNY and the Church of Satan. So my duty is to destroy the kingdom of darkness, to save my people. So I want to look for the video that God bless everybody. God bless everybody. Anambra State. Okay. Okay, this is it. Because of that, Akwa say, Maki na n'ife Chukwu ka iwe si na ị ga-egbu ma ọ bụkwa akụkọ iwere si na ị ga-eche n'ezi obi kakwa gị gacheche when I say if you come to Anambra we do like this, do like this, I just say if you get married go and stand on my way, I will send you to hellfire. That's why I'm singing this song in case you don't understand what I'm singing.